Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign up for IHSS Electronic Timesheets, online enrollment step by step clearly. To sign up for IHSS Electronic Timesheets, begin by accessing the official IHSS website. Look for the Sign Up or Enroll option on the homepage. Click on the link to begin the registration process. Enter your personal information as prompted, including your name, address, and contact details. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid delays in processing. Next, create a username and password that you will remember. Review the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Once you agree to the terms, click on the Continue button. You may receive a verification email to confirm your registration. Check your email inbox and find the verification message from IHSS. Click on the verification link provided in the email to activate your account. Return to the IHSS website and log in using your new username and password. After logging in, navigate to the Electronic Timesheets section. Follow the instructions to submit your timesheets electronically. Ensure that you understand the submission deadlines and guidelines provided. Save a copy of your submitted timesheets for your records. If you encounter any issues during the process, consult the FAQ section or contact customer support for assistance. That concludes the steps for enrolling in IHSS Electronic Timesheets online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.